This is a
All right, what's going on, y'all? So the spoiler came in today. Yep, came in today. That's the box. It's the packaging. Made in China. I'm hoping it's worth it. This is the part number. It says spoiler for 2019 Altima. It don't matter if it's on Amazon, says it don't fit a 2020 and stuff like that. They all the same model, nothing changed. It'll fit a 2019 to a 2022. But yeah, this the box, this the packaging. And mosquitoes coming out now. What the hell? A bit too early for that. But yeah. So I'm about to crack this mud open. Like, I haven't opened it or anything. So we're gonna be alright. Got that part open. Back here. So let me do that. Y'all look. I be trying to get y'all good content. But I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it is hard to record with one hand, but we're gonna get it done. So we got it open. Moment of truth. Got it open. This is the spoiler I ordered. This is it here. It's I think it came matte black. I mean, overall it's not that bad. It's sleek on it. It don't stick up high. None of that. I mean, it was a cheap one. But it's something, you know. Give me 1 second. All right. Take it out. All right, this definitely what it looks like. Let me cut the flash on. All right, this is the spoiler. What I'm gonna do, it came in a matte finish, no clear coat or nothing. So what I might do, I might paint it, or I might just wet sand it and hit it with a clear, and it might come out to a clear black. But the paint's smooth. Yeah, I got ashy hands. That means I wash my hand. But this is it. This is what it looks like from this angle. And I can, and it definitely fits on the back of the car. That's crazy. All right, y'all, got it semi-mounted up. Just give y'all let y'all know what it looks like. Don't worry about that. I clean that up soon. I ain't really worried about them emblems. It rained that night, but here you go. Cheap spoiler for the Altima. Might install it this weekend, but overall, man, that looks good.
This is a CountryBoyModz production.
That looks real good on my car. So, I mean, this just a quick video to show you what it looks like. Thinking about mounting it up this weekend, and like I said, we're gonna go from there. But man, y'all look at that, man. Bruh, tell me that don't look good. That's crazy. I mean, hey, it's a perfect fit. Like I said, perfect fit. I like the way it looks. Looks real good. But peace out, y'all. Y'all take care. Thank y'all for watching.